most humbled by the trust you bestowed upon me as the national chairman. I am Senator Rajuddin Ajibola Bashiru as national secretary to lead APC towards a brighter future for the betterment of our beloved country. May I also warmly appreciate the leader of our great party, His Excellency, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the Asuwaju, and Jagaban of Borgu for his continued support and commitment to the ideals of our great party, the APC. I would also like to especially acknowledge the contributions of His Excellency, the Vice President, Senator Kashim Shettima, the Senate President, Godswill Fabio, Speaker of the House of Representatives, Honorable Tajuddin Abbas, Leadership and Caucus of the National Assembly, Secretary to the Government of the Federation, members of the National Working Committee of the party, party elders, and members of the caucus. Let me also thank the Progressive Governors Forum and all key stakeholders of our party for their dedication, diligence, and strategic role in the development of our great party. With boundless gratitude for the confidence placed in me by leaders and members of our party, and with an absolute resolve to honor that trust, I humbly accept my appointment as the chairman of our party, the APC. I am deeply touched and inspired by the generous words of congratulations and encouragement I have been receiving, and wish to extend my deepest respect and appreciation to all the leaders and members for their strong support. Our main focus will be promoting party unity and defending and increasing the number of executive governors and legislative seats we currently hold. Under my watch, internal democracy will be strictly adhered to with a deliberate policy to engage in wider consultations and making party functional throughout the year. Some important reforms will be carried out in the party in alignment with the current political landscape. These include: 1, using higher technology in membership registration into our great party. A situation whereby the current figure we have for the registration is over 41 million. But the results of the last election were able to score 8+ million. This cannot be computed. Their business cannot be as usual. We must have a scientific register of our members of our great party. 2, to ensure functional party offices at zonal, state, senatorial, local government, and ward levels. And 3, establishment of progressive institutes to educate our members and the leaders of our party on internal democracy, election management, conflict resolution, and articulating a coherent ideology for our great party. We all agree that we must unite our members to achieve support for our governments to respond adequately, urgently, and assertively to the challenges that Nigerians confront on a daily basis. The challenges include unemployment, poverty, insecurity, social cohesion, and the rising cost of living. Our party must remain rooted among the people, must demonstrate a willingness to serve and make sacrifices, and must be willing to acknowledge and address our weaknesses. Will ensure a level playing field for all party members that want to contest elections under the party's platform. Our primary elections would be free, transparent, and fair. Let me also use this opportunity to call on all members of our party and all the people of Kogi State, Imo State, and Bayelsa State to close ranks and ensure that the APC wins in the forthcoming governorship elections. As we move forward, let me assure you that as national chairman, I will lead with integrity, transparency, and a deep sense of responsibility. Let us work tirelessly together to build bridges of understanding and chart a course for a cohesive APC and for a united, peaceful, and prosperous Nigeria. The road ahead may be challenging, but with your unwavering support and dedication, I am confident that we can achieve greatness. Thank you for entrusting me with the delicate job of steering the affairs of our party at this very crucial period of our nationhood. Together, we shall write a new chapter of progress, peace, and prosperity for Nigeria, and make our shared dreams and renewed hope for a better nation a reality. Thank you, and God